Make your own long-lasting portable stove using basic materials that you probably already have at home. To start, you will need an empty can. Use a cutter and a piece of wood to cut the bottom of the can with precision, dividing it into 2 equal parts. Now, with a sandpaper, we are going to rub on all the edges of the can to remove the paint from the outside. Repeat this process with another can to obtain the 2 necessary parts for our portable stove. Then, mark where the holes will be made in the pieces of the can using a pen. With a nail or other punching object, carefully drill the holes in the marks. Make sure to make a larger hole in the center to properly join the stove. Once the holes are made, place a piece of cotton in the center of one of the pieces and moisten it with a little alcohol. Then place the other piece on top, making sure to make a good fit. To light the stove, simply place a little alcohol on a metal lid and light it. Then place the homemade mini stove on top of the lid and wait a few seconds. The fire will automatically light up and provide up to 4 hours of power without going out. It's that simple to have your own homemade multifunctional stove that will accompany you for hours on end. With a little ingenuity and these simple steps, you'll be ready to enjoy hot meals anywhere and anytime. If you've made it this far, leave a flame emoji so I know you've seen the full video. If this is the first time you've seen one of my videos, subscribe to be the first to receive our tips.